Today I'm going to show you how to quickly replace the water filter in your Samsung 3-door French door refrigerator. This particular model that we own is the RF28HFED BSG. This process will work across a wide variety of Samsung refrigerators. So if you look on the display on the front here, you'll see this red filter display. That means you need to change your water filter. So what you'll do, open up your fridge, locate your water filter right here. Push it in, turn it counterclockwise, you'll hear it come out. Pull it out, get your new one, slide it in, push in, clockwise, line it up with the lock symbol, and you've just replaced it.